Josh, you know what everyone likes?
What?
New shit.
Yeah. Okay, so we got some new toys to play with in 2021, starting with,
We got a competition bench.
which is freaking awesome. If you don't know what a competition bench is, it's a little bit wider than a regular bench press. That means you're going to be a lot more stable, and you're not going to slide around too much whenever you're trying to get those heavy lifts in. The other great thing about it is you can really work on that explosiveness. These pegs at the bottom of the bench are used to attach bands, so you can really work on the explosiveness of your bench press. The other cool things include,
We've got these nifty little rollers. You ever get on the bench and it's a little bit to the right or it's a little bit to the left, and it just doesn't feel right, and you're trying to slide it over into the right spot? We now have rollers. Just smoothly goes where you need it to go. It's wonderful. We also have safeties. You ever been on the bench and you're just like, oh, I can do this weight, and then it's on your neck? Well, you don't have to worry about that. It's got its own set of safeties.
the awesome thing about this bench too is it's a transformer.
Autobots, transform and roll out.
That's right, it can also be a squat rack. It can easily be a squat rack by screwing out this peg here and screwing out this peg here, removing said bench, and then squatting like your life depends on it. Another amazing thing about this bench is the fact that it's adjustable with weight on it. So if you're lifting your buddy with long old arms, you can easily make it taller or shorter just for you. You take this arm, slide it underneath this pin, press up, and then this extra pin right here slides into the spot you need it to be at, and boom, you're good to go. When you're ready to bench again and your buddy's done, just pull up, slide that pin out, put it back, keynote, put it back, slide it down, and now it's perfect height for you. As cool as that is, another important piece of equipment that we got, and a lot of people have been asking for, is the reverse hyper, which is used like this.
Okay, first what you want to do is you want to go up to the extra machine and you want to put your feet in the loop strap. What you're going to do next is bend over and grab the handles. Once you've grabbed the handles, you want to squeeze your glutes and raise your body to a straight formation. So the other way to use this is to decompress your back. In order to do this, you want heavier weight than you think you can do. Grab the arm bands, get it swinging, and let it stretch you at the bottom.
Once you reach that straight formation, you might realize that your glutes feel amazing, and that's the point of this machine. A reason why a lot of people use this machine is because it forces you to use your glutes and lower back together. Another reason why you might like this machine is actually going to be explained to you by a residential Shane, who happens to be a fanboy of the maker of this machine. So let's cut to him.
It was developed by Louis Simmons from Westside Barbell. West Side?
Okay, so that's just two of the newest items that we have here. But we're always looking to improve, and we want to make you guys happy. So if you want to comment below, you can tell us some of the things that you'd like to see in the gym.
We really want to make sure that this gym is the best place for you. So we're always listening to what you might want or what you think would be awesome to have here. So make sure you comment below, let us know what it is you want. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, because we're always going to be making content like this, explaining how to use the machines and other cool things like that. We also have a video coming out every Sunday at noon. So if you enjoy what you see, hit the bell and let us know. Also, if you have the time, hit that like button, because it's just nice to give us a thumbs up.
Ball!